Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll be creating one EC2 instance and we'll be configuring GUI for that EC2 instance. Let's create one EC2 instance and Ubuntu EC2 instance and then configure GUI for that instance. Let's see how we can go how we can go about and do that. Let's create the EC2 instance first. I have one running instance. Let's ignore that for now. Yeah, let's go to Ubuntu. Let's name it as Ubuntu server and let's take Ubuntu, right? Ubuntu, yeah, let's take 24.04 LTS and we'll use T2 medium because I have some other experiments to do. I'm using T2 medium, but you can use T2 micro also. That's okay. And let's take keeper testing dev one. This is already there in my account. I'm using that. Hosting VPC name subnet, any subnet you can take, but I feel subnet one it is in the availability zone 1A. And existing groups, yeah, I'll take existing group where I've allowed all ports. For experiment purpose, I've allowed all ports. I'm selecting that security group. And volumes, let's increase this to probably 30 GB. You can keep it as it is, but for me, because after this creation of this video, I'll be experimenting some other things in this. So I'll be creating Kubernetes cluster, kind Kubernetes cluster, and experimenting some other things in this. So I've taken T2 medium and I've also increased 30 GB from 8 GB. You can create your own like T2 micro you can use. Let's see once the server is created. Let's correct it. So let's update the packages. Once we update it, let's install this package. This is a use package. It will take some more amount of time. Let's wait for that to complete. This is an essential package to connect Ubuntu desktop. I told you it will take some more time. Like it will take a huge amount of time to install this package because it's a big package. See, it consumes a good amount of storage, so it's better to have 30 GB rather than 8 GB, I suppose, because it consumes a good amount of storage because already 10% is used from 30 GB. Like 3 GB is all 3 to 4 GB is already used. Like from here, you can check 12 GB, right? Hmm. Takes a good amount of time to install this package because it installs all the browser and also it installing micro Firefox. See if you can see that it is installing Firefox. I'll pause the video for till then, and I'll resume the video after the finishing of the installation of this package. I'm back, guys. So it took almost 8 minutes and still it is not completed. Let's wait for it to complete. After this, we have to install XRDP package, and after that we have to check the status of XRDP, and then we have to create configure XRDP to use XFSC. We have to create a file. It's taking so much of time. Let's wait for it to complete, and later we'll start with the installation of some other packages. Let's install this package. After this, let's enable XRDP and let's see if it started. It started. Let's configure XRDP to use XFSC. This is the command for that. Once this is done, let's take the IP, public IP of that server, and then let's do RDP and see. No, let's create a password for the user. Yeah, we got it. So we got the GUI of the server. So this is how we create a GUI for the server. Nice. Nice. We got GUI for the EC2 instance. Yeah. So this is all about the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel and please share to your friends so that it will be useful for them as well. So basically, we use GUI to run any application which requires GUI. Like let's suppose if I have to run a Chrome, if I have to run any application which require Selenium, like let's for testers, like Selenium it requires testers, so it requires authentication and all. We do authentication and all using Selenium. For that purpose, GUI is required. We can't do in command line interface. We can do, but it is required to open the browser and do the stuff, right? For that, I guess this is one of the use case of this. And let's suppose you want to access any website, you don't have visibility in EC2 instance, but whereas in this we have this visibility. That's all about the video. I'll also write a blog around this. You can probably read the blog around it, and you can get the comments in the blog section. I'll add the blog in the comments, and not in the comments, in the description. You can please look at it, and you can please follow along, and you can do this lab in your own EC2 instance. That's all. Thank you for watching the video.